offers a unique and cozy focal point that can transform the space. Here are some ideas to make the most of this feature. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Consider creating a balanced layout by arranging seating symmetrically around the fireplace. Place two sofas facing each other with the fireplace at the corner center. This arrangement creates conversion and draws attention at the fireplace. Either room centerpiece, add coffee table in the middle and some side tables with lamps for added punctuality and ambience. Fireplace, angle the furniture towards it. Position a sectional sofa or a austere chairs at a slight angle. Facing the fireplace, this setup creates a natural flow and makes the room feel more intimate. Ensure there's ample space for traffic and easy access to other areas for the room. Built-in shelving or cabinetry around the fireplace. This not only adds storage and display space but also frames the fireplace beautifully. Use the shelves to showcase books, art, and decorative items. Consider lighting options such as a recessed lights or sonosy highlights. These features add warmth and room. If you want to inaugurate a television mount if above the fireplace of the place into an adjustment wall, mounting it above the fireplace saves space and keeping the focal point choice. However, ensure the TV is of comfortable viewing height. Alternately, placing the TV on the perpendicular wall creates a dual focal point, offering flexibility in furniture arrangement. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining us. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more these ideas.